Hi everyone, Messi Coda here, back again with another dev interview. This is the next part of my interview with Malbers Animations, the man behind Unka the Dragon, Horse Animset Pro, and a load of other funky animals that you can get now on the Unreal and Unity asset stores. In this video, I'm playing about with Unity and we're going to find out how we can use his animals, his rhinos, his horses, his dragons, his bunny rabbits. So sit back, enjoy this video that was taken from my live Twitch stream or the w's.twitch.tv/themessycoder, and I'll see you all in a second. I've got here a demo scene for Aquarius Max's Ultimate Poly Fantasy. I haven't seen it yet, the update. I haven't heard, I don't think Max is in chat. I think Max might be sleeping somewhere. Or this is all swamp. We don't want swamp. I want to see how easy it is for me to just chuck in. Here we go. So you've got a poly dragon, don't you?
Yes, search the polyart dragon.
Dragons.
Somewhere.
Unka. Polyart. Okay.
It's coming.
Now if I find, here's the camera, the old one. Have I got a, no post-processing, good.
You can drag the free look camera rig, which is also the same from the standard asset, but with a little modifications to make. Free look camera rig.
Okay.
And set Unka as the target.
Should we click play?
Yep.
Let's do it.
There you go.
Got a weird
Wow,
eye.
It's huge, the environment.
It is huge, that's what she said. Let's after raccoons, yeah. So we've got. Let's give us the order of things that we can expect.
Yeah.
So we got raccoon first.
With polyart and realistic. Then I have the wyvern. Is another dragon. We have a young dragon. I haven't shown anything about them yet.
Oh, are you gonna share your screen to show something now, or is it top secret still?
Let me see. I don't have anything right now to show. By the way, another thing that you should know. For example, all the animals are made by myself, but all the dragons are made for with my partner Orlando, which he's Cuban too.
Oh, we didn't know this. Who is this Orlando?
Orlando is the author of all the little dragons and the Unka. He made the models and the textures. I made the rig, the animations, all the Unity stuff.
So is this one of your friends who you started doing the other game in Cuba?
Yes.
And now he's got internet.
No, he has a bit more internet than 5 years ago, so he can send me the models.
So this is my one problem I've got. Oh, okay.
What problem? That the Unka couldn't fit in the little space?
That is, I want to be able to aim down and set fire to these houses.
Right, because as I told you, you need to have Unka. Unka is in the middle of the screen, so you need to fix the camera. So Unka is a little bit lower. Like in the games, in the games, the character is not on the center of the screen. It's on the bottom left, right?
Yeah,
On
I think the problem though is that the head needs to be able to be independently aimed. Because when
yeah.
you're aiming the entire body. So if you're flying forward, I
Yeah,
want to
Unka is trying to aim on the center of the screen,
exactly.
but since the limit of the aiming for the bones, Unka will not try to bend the head to aim down. So what you need to do, hit pause, hit stop,
Oh, stop or pause? Stop.
stop,
Okay,
stop,
stop.
stop. So go to the free camera, prefab, and you will see on the inspector
Yep.
something like start state.
Yes.
Now you select that for the search for Unka state,
Yep.
and that will change the camera to fit for Unka. Now Unka is down. It's not in the center of the screen, I believe.
Yeah, it's a bit better.
A little bit better. I will add the option that you can change the aiming position,
Oh, that'd be lovely.
because now you can only aim to the center of the screen.
See, everyone tells me that I need to be nice on my streams. If I'm nice and I don't ask for things, I don't
Nice.
get.
You have been nice to me.
See, I've been nice. Why am I getting some weird flickering going on?
That's not my fault.
No, this is not you. Oh, I think when I changed the type and I mucked about, it looks like I've got some meshes that seem to be interfering.
Yeah. I think this is the shadow.
I think it might. Why not use right click to aim the head?
That's an interesting proposition. What does with the right click? I believe you can do melee stuff like kicking
Yeah.
or biting. That's why I didn't use the right click. What should I use for melee attacks, guys, in the chat?
Because Q and E you want to be able to use for other stuff, and yeah, right click and middle mouse. I think right click for melee attack is good, but aiming the head, maybe control to aim the head. Because if you're holding down right, I don't know, it's weird. Right might work for aiming the head.
Yeah, right. In most games is aiming in all Call of Duties, in all shooter games.
Middle mouse to do melee, but then if you're, I don't know.
I don't know either.
This is why you need testers. This is what beta testers is all about. I think the issue we've got is with the LODs. If I'll have to play about with this. I may have broken.
For now, the fire breath is only visual. It does not anything.
Oh, that was my next question. Thank you for preempting my next question.
Yeah.
So how do we get the fire breath to actually cause some damage?
You just put a box collider with a trigger and put the script taking damage, and everything that touched that trigger, it will cause damage. Yeah.
Well, that sounds easy enough.
Yeah.
You can't do it one time. You need to add the water layer to the water.
Water layer and water collider. Or trigger, I mean. A box trigger should do it. Box collider trigger.
Alright, let's do some swimming. I love the jump and then flying. I love to do a jump and then I start flying.
I love it.
Okay. There you go.
And now you need to
Just play
I don't
about with
know
the height.
if the box collider is off or if the water line you can adjust it. I don't know which one or both.
Yeah, it's a little bit off, isn't it?
Yeah.
Come on, little dragon. This is a beautiful dragon.
Now that I'm thinking, I want to do also that you can jump off the water with the dragon
That would be nice. It is a bit of a pain in the
to a
ass.
fly, to a fly, right?
Yeah.
And you watch what's happen there.
It's because I moved the collider in one time.
I think so. Yeah.
So it's
Try go underwater with Z. Yeah.
Come on, you can do it. You can do it.
I think I need to adjust the water speed, the underwater speed. You can do it in the animal script.
I do love the swim. Those the weird bugs that I had where sometimes he would just start walking underwater instead of flying.
Yeah, it's because when you enter water and when you exit water, I left like half a second that you cannot change if you are underwater, if you are on the water or on the ground.
Mm.
Because they will try to adjust the dragon to the water surface or to the land surface. It will make a jittery position noise. So I made it that quick.
I did exactly the same thing on my swimming tutorial for Ultimate Survival.
Yeah, because most people will go to the water in the straight line, but not you.
I don't believe in doing things normally.
Yeah.
This was my favorite of your assets.
Unka.
Yeah. And then I played
okay.
with the rabbit.
And you mount the rabbit.
Exactly. It was the fact.
Sexual way.
It was the non-sexual mounting of the rabbit that did it for me. So now you're a professional full-time asset developer.
Yeah, it's the best thing I ever done.
Really?
Sometimes if I don't want to work, nothing happens because I'm my own boss. My own boss. I mean, I receive like 2, 3, 4 emails about support that sometimes they are easy, sometimes they are bugs that I need to catch quickly. But some days I don't receive anything and just go and take a walk with my dog and nothing happens. And I keep making money.
So there you have it, guys. If you wanna have the fun life as an asset publisher, the answer is animations and animal models.
Yeah, animations. Too many animations is not enough.
I was reading the FAQ from Kubold.
Yeah.
And he basically has his FAQ reads like a guy who hates customers and is constantly pissed off at being asked stupid questions. And it's always questions about, can you add all of his animation packs together into one master controller? Can he do custom animations for people? And will this work with XYZ third-party asset? And it just feels like this guy, because he does animations only, he just sounds like he gets so much stupid customer support questions. Whereas you're saying you get like 1 or 2, and sometimes they're easy and sometimes they're hard, but generally you've got an easy time of customer support.
Yeah, I mean I will have some stupid questions. That's always going to be there.
What's the best one you've had?
I can remember now. I'm really bad with my memory. But if I have a tiny not sticky notes on my desktop that I just copy and paste for the for the same questions I always have.
Oh,
Like,
you
can you make a custom animation for the assets? Can you can you work freelance, or can you do freelance work?
oh you mean like
But
the questions I send you every week?
but in the nicest ways possible, without hurting anyone's feelings. Not like Kubel, that is like a robot. I love Kubel. The animations are amazing. They are also motion capture. I mean, I think
Yeah, his female animation pack is amazing. His male
the
animation pack, I think it. As people say it's nice, I think it's shit. I really don't like it. His male animation pack. Some parts of it is good, but like his casual walk and his run, I really don't like it.
Unka seems like a shark. Tana, tana,
Yeah, I know,
tana.
I love it. I did it in the review when I was playing with it. The fact that it like a snake slithering, I
Yeah,
love that. And I love the fast swim. It's beautiful.
yeah.
So yeah, I mean, obviously there's some parts in your animations like I raised in the video with Unka as well. Like sometimes they're like just skids or the takeoff of the start. Especially the horse, like take the first steps, moving the horse and stopping are for me the weakest points. But generally, I I find it difficult to find problems with your animations.
Thank you, thank you. I mean, the horse animation were like 3 4 years ago I made them, so that's why I want to make now, with all the knowledge I have acquired in these years,
Yeah,
a
you
new
need to.
set of
Yeah,
animations.
the horse one you need to redo. I mean, you know my and everyone who watches my stream knows my thoughts about like I love the horse one. I love the fighting. I love the stuff, but it needs to be polished up. Whereas this dragon really feels different. Like you say, it's new. You've done it. This is from all the
Thi-
experiences that you've learned.
This is from December. Unka. I mean, the Horse Anise Pro was like in 2015.
Yeah.
I think that's what I want to make a whole makeup to the horse. I want to redo the models. I want to add more bones. I want to make the saddles like the triple A games. I want that the saddles and they have tiny things that can move with physics. That kind of stuff.
Sengoku says, I don't like that the wings are so wide from the body when you walk. Hang on, let's walk.
Happy. One of the good things that you can do with all my animals is that you can scale the bones.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. For example, from one dragon you can have many types of dragon. For example,
So how
go
do I
to
do
the
that?
project
Okay.
and open a little. What is the pink dragon in the famous pink dragon?
Oh,
Pink dragon.
Spyro the Dragon.
Spyro the dragon. That one
Okay.
on the prefab folder.
Unkatun Spyro.
Unkatun Spyro. That was only changing some blend shapes
I tell you what.
and scaling
Let's have
some
one more.
bones, and you can have a little dragon.
Oh, Mr. Blade Brown, thank you for the flower. So this is the same dragon.
It's the same dragon with the bones scale uniformly, so you don't get weird things on the animations, and some blend shapes change. Change the target on the camera. By the way, thanks for the cells. I just have one little dragon, one realistic rabbit, and one horned monster. I don't know if it's for the stream, but thanks anyway.
Yay!
Yeah.
Thank you guys. Don't forget to push a exclamation mark Unka for the dragon, exclamation mark horned for the horny beast. Give me an exclamation mark horned. And we got exclamation mark tiny tiger dragon. I think I did. Yeah, tiger dragon.
Little tiger dragon. Yeah.
So I've made Bitly links for everything apart from the tiger dragon is broken. So I need to do a new Bitly link for that one.
I like that little dragon. The little Unka pink dragon.
So this could actually. So if we hang on, let me. Here's the Unka, and where is the tiny dragon? Tiger dragon prefab.
Go for the realistic one, the black one. I don't know. This is the baby. Yeah, that one.
And then.
Is that big? Is not that big. Kill it.
I'll put him next to this one.
Something I want to do for the next updates is to make some AI for all the animals. From now I just have the basic locomotion for the nav mesh agent. You can go to one point from another, and you can use the jump or the fall from an edge, but nothing more. You can attack. They can attack you. Nothing. No. I want to make some behavior trees for the AI.
Oh, I'm going to be doing a new tutorial series with Behavior Designer.
You should do it with the dragons if you don't mind.
I don't mind.
And you should do it.
Are you going to give me a free voucher to give away to the community?
Today?
Oh shit! I won't say no to one today.
But you mean you want to one voucher?
Yeah, we'll do it for the tutorial.
For the tutorial. Let's do it for the tutorial then.
when you make your new update, save me a voucher. I got told off the other day for doing that to Cincy Studios. Somebody watched my stream and sent me a message saying, "You were very aggressive asking for free stuff." And I was like, "We got a 30% discount on his store, didn't we?" It's like, it worked. So if we do an exclamation mark Cincy store in chat, there's the link to the Cincy Studios. So you could pick yourself up some Poly Cincy Studios products. Even though the May Madness is finished, you can still go to their shop on the Cincy store and buy their stuff and get a 30% discount with the Messy Coder coupon.
They are amazing. I love the Cincy stuff. The cowboy, the Western package. That's the one I love the most.
Yeah, we've got actually, let me try and hold on a sec. I need to Alt Tab back into. Let me Alt Tab back in, and I'll show a video of bunny rabbits playing. Here we go. This is now my favorite Malbers pack. Is the rabbit. So that's now my favorite pack.
The new rabbits, the realistic of the poly arts.
Poly art is nice, but I prefer the realistic stuff.
I made a hitting. That's the one. I love it. I used Neo for the fur. Fur. How do you say fur?
Fur.
Fur.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So
they look so good with the fur.
What is so this Neo fur?
Neo fur was an asset that they was the best fur asset out for Unity. They made it for Unity and for Unreal, but they were both for the. I think they were both for the company that is making the Mutant Zero game, something like that. And they discount the asset.
No,
and all,
damn.
Yeah. But it's so good that Neo 4 asset. I just had the version that they discontinued because I paid for that. But now is PD something. A new publisher is making a 4 asset, and it's making it, and it's giving updates every week, and it's
Wow.
kind of good. So there's hope for my animals.
There's hope for your furry animals.
Yeah.
Let me.
I don't know why that video got so low quality with YouTube. That is using the Fountain demo from Unity, which is free.
What did you think of their new high definition render pipeline stuff
I
they're
mean,
coming
it,
out with?
it's really good, but I don't know how to use it yet.
I was
I
talking.
haven't got the time to play around with. But I mean, if the thing that they show in the event with the PlayStation and the demo, that's a really good thing for Unity.
I was talking with somebody saying that they keep on changing how it works. They keep on breaking it every time they update it.
Yeah, I mean, for example, Unka will make you. Unka is a little. It's not break in Unity 2018, but it's not that easy to use Unka with 2017. That is with Unity 2018, because they have now substance materials as a plugin, and it's still on beta, and it's not working that well. So if you want to use Yunka, please use it in 2018. 26, 17. I get confused with English numbers.
No, you just get confused with that, them keep on changing the Unity.
Yeah. 2017, 2018. It's easier to say in Spanish.
Of course it is. You're making the realistic wolf next. Well, not next, but you are. This is one thing you're working on, yeah?
Yeah. And I will redo the animations also for the wolf. Because the bones for this wolf, I mean, I want to have more bones, like in the fingers, in the paw. I want to make more details animations, so I need to add more bones. And since I'm adding more bones, I will add more. I will change the animations. I will have to redo the animations, but it's for the good. At the end.
When do you think you'll be doing that?
Let me finish first. What was going to do? I'm porting also the animals for Unreal. I'm doing that this week
Forget
and the next week.
Unreal. Who cares about Unreal? Unreal's
I don't.
boring.
I need to care about Unreal because people are asking me for the animals on Unreal, and I give what people want, and in the process, I make some money.
Okay, I'll give you that one. Some money's
Okay.
nice.
Yeah.
So the guys at Cinti, they've also made their own poly art horse, which is slightly
Yes,
different style to your one.
and they make it with the horse bones. That way, his horse is compatible with horse and Pro.
Talking about poly art, Sanyo's asking, if you own poly art models, do you get a discount for the realistic one?
Yes. For example, now if you buy the, it's not quite a discount. The rabbit, they cost $50. But if you own the rabbit, you only will pay the difference if you want the realistic rabbit, which costs $35. I mean,
So it's an upgrade fee rather than needing to buy it straight out.
I'm losing you.
So
repeat again.
So you pay for the upgrade to.
Yeah, you pay for the realistic rabbit, and you pay $15 or $40 with 30 cents. And if you want to buy the realistic rabbit, you want to pay $20, which is the difference.
Cool. Are you going to do a
And the
bundle
realistic
pack?
rabbit. Say it again.
Are you going to bundle your animals together to do a bundle pack? Like if you...
Yes. When I finish the raccoon, all the polyar animals will go up to $20. So that's why on the description is a little thing that says that when the last animal finish, all the polyar animal will go to $20.
Oh,
And
wow.
then the bundle will cost only 140 100 $140.
So it's good to buy it now.
If you bought it separately, you will get the discounts. I mean, right?
So it's better to buy it now. Buy all the animals now before the price goes up.
Before the price go up. I mean, I'm living from the assets now. I got to pay rent and money and food.
So it's good for people to buy it now then.
Yeah.
I'm just importing in. There's a reason why I'm showing the videos is because I'm importing in another project. So while we import another project, the one thing I didn't like about the wolves was that jump. Is that the jump is too tall, too high a jump.
But you can always the height of the jump.
Yeah.
You don't like the height. That cannot be changed. I mean, the speed. The speed you can change it on the animator.
But you can't change the height.
The height because it's an animation.
That makes me sad.
But you want higher or lower? Lower.
Yeah.
Because I made a script that you can make it higher.
Wow.
I mean, on the animal script, you can make it higher, but not lower. Nice, interesting. I can make it lower for the next update. Let me write all the things.
Write it in your notepad.
I'm writing all the things you
See, I told you should have come on the stream a long time ago. You'd have had so many cool ideas. See, Sanyo saying lower would be better. Yes, please. A bear would look good realistic. This is the problem, is that there's only one decent looking realistic bear on the asset store.
No, there's another that costs $145.
No, that's the one bear. There's only one bear on the asset store, man. I'm telling you.
The guys that make the
Jim, yeah.
They call the what is it called? Expensive stuff.
Exactly. They're the only ones who have got a decent bear. So if you
I will make a fair price, at least for.
And then you'll take away all the customers. If you make a realistic bear, and you're not charging $150 for it, I think you'll be able to take the marketplace by storm. I've got error. Look at my screen. I've got errors again, man. Why have I got errors in my script again? I've imported in the.
What did you import?
I imported in Horse Animal Set Pro. Hang on,
that's one problem I'm having now. Every time I change the script, I need to update all the assets because all them use the same script. And if you import an asset that have the old script over an asset that have the new script, you will get the older version. You know what I mean? So that's a problem I'm having right now. I need to find some way to update the script separately to all the animals. I don't know how to do that.
All right. I think I'm ready to play with something. Are you ready to play?
Play.
Yeah.
Okay.
You've got. Hang on. Malbers Animations. A Horse Animal Set Pro. Prefabs. Horses. I want to drag in the guy. Hang on, first things first. Polygon Western. Polygon Horse. Prefab Polygon Horse. This is the Cinti Studios horse set up to be working with your input. See, here's all the mount triggers. You got the mount point ons there. Lovely. Where's the little man? Rider. Here's Rider. Oh, that's the first person controller. Brilliant. Here he is. Nope, that's Invector.
Invector.
This guy, here he is. If I click play. Ah!
You don't have a camera?
I don't have a camera. Free.
Look, camera rig.
Free. Look. Camera rig. Malbers one. Here it is. Which one do I want? Do I want the? I want the HAP one, don't I?
They have one because they have the state already set up.
Lovely.
Right.
Okay. So here we are inside Cinti Studios Wild West Polygon Pack.
There's a teeth tattoo.
He's floating in the air a little bit, this bloke. Now this guy here, he's got a mechanism. We should be able to actually make this guy work as a horse animset guy, shouldn't we?
Yeah.
Should we try that? Let's try it.
You only have to use the same animator, the same script, and that's it.
Okay, where's this guy? Here he is. Character cowboy. I want to drag him up to the top next to the other guy. Does anyone in chat give me a tip on how I can move stuff to the top of here? Is it like a right click move to top? How would you move it right to the top?
No, I don't know.
Oh, if you wiggle your mouse, here you go. Found it. Wiggle your mouse. New tip. New tip. I'm going to have to make a video of that. I'm going to have to make a 10-minute video explaining how you can just wiggle your mouse to move it to the top. Okay. So
Emerald I publisher to integrate with our content first. I will make the emerald, but please let me finish the raccoon. The other one.
You've got a lot of stuff you need to finish, mate.
Yeah. I need to clone myself.
This is the problem. Now you're a full-time asset store publisher. All right, so here's the guy. And here's the other blokey. So let's drag this, let's copy that and paste him here. Okay.
Now you need to change the avatar to the avatar of that guy.
So I just drag or
yeah. With your body, capture collider.
Write a script, and then we'll have to update that to be pointing to the right guy. Write a combat script. Nice. Has he got his own capsule collider on him? No, he doesn't. Do we need to?
Yeah, you need it.
Otherwise
it will fail on the ground.
See. Alright. Copy. Because he's got his rigid body on there. We'll just go through. Paste as new. See. Alright. Do we need this inventory script?
No. If you're using holders, you don't need the inventory. But you will write it, right? You won't be fighting using the weapons. Just write it.
Fine, I'll just write it. Okay, so drag him in here. Do I need to drag anything else? Left hand, right hand?
Yes, because that's the old cowboy.
Has he got anything on him that I should copy over?
Yes, they have the holders. That's why I don't want you to use
the weapons. I get you.
just
Oh.
riders. Otherwise,
Shall
you
I
will
click
need
play?
to. Okay.
Oh, I've got
The avatar. The avatar.
yeah, and also the. Here we go. Where's the blokey? Rider on there. Cowboy triangle of hair voice. Is on there? Is that one?
Put the
Where's that one?
avatar of the
select.
Sinti guy.
Yeah,
Where is it?
here he is. Where's all the? Why hasn't it put everything? Character badge, character. Why can't I see everything on there? The hell?
Change the size of the icons. Yeah, like that.
There you go. Working. Oh, this is what I don't like about the Cinti Studio stuff, is that they're all there. So like now,
Oh right, yeah.
there you go.
What is the avatar?
That's the thing I didn't like about Cinti Studios thing. I'm trying to remember.
Where is the?
Where's the blokey? Character chef. Character.
Select
cowboy.
the root of the game object. They don't have avatars. That is the prefab, not the
Oh,
not
hang
the
on.
mesh.
Yeah. Where's the select to go to the? There he is. Characters avatar. There he is.
Now.
There he is. He was hiding. He's hiding in the basement. Alright, now we got, where's our camera? Free look, camera. Do. One trick, click on the object, then click on the second object on top of everything, then move. Oh. Okay. Here's blokey. Whee! Whee!
Okay. Nah. That's the other thing you need to do. It's trying to walk what is on the horse. That is why you need to disable all the script that fuck the riders.
Ah,
Okay.
my spine! My spine!
That is the thing you need to do. You need to disable all the script that interrupt the writing system.
Alright.
On the disabled list, there's on the writing script. Go up.
Why are at the bottom?
Yeah,
Riding combat.
there's there are riders third person. That's the one.
That's the one. Here it is.
Disable list, and they're at the
Where's
the
the
two script that
this one?
the empty and third person character is that one.
Isn't there an easier way of doing it than just?
No, you need to drag. There's no easy way to do it. You sure? Just drag it.
Ay vey. It's not going to let me.
Collapse the event. Collapse the events if you.
Hang on.
You-
Not that one. Okay. Here we go. So, why the third person?
Yes. Collapse the events.
Where's the events?
Down.
Hang on. There you go.
Now you drag.
Now I can put. I want to put this one in here. This one in here. Do I want to make it to 3?
Oh, you have 3.
Is it just 2?
Yes, just 3.
Which one is
Third
it?
person character, third person input is third person. You have one repeated.
Ah, you got one repeated. There you go.
And now try it again.
No, we'll try it again. Wild West Exorcist. The power of Christ compels thee. The power of Christ compels thee. Yay!
Now you can ride it like a good cowboy.
There you go. That's a new thing you added recently, isn't it? The disable when you're riding.
Which thing?
Disable scripts when riding. I don't remember that in the first
that's
version.
always been there
From version 1?
from version 1.
Really?
Yes, all the script that screw the riding system, you need to disable.
Huh, I just don't remember.
Otherwise, you will get the exorcist. Things that you don't want to do while riding, like walking, you need to disable.
I've just jumped inside the building. Oh
How
shit!
did you-
We're stuck inside the building. This is one of the few assets that I managed to get them to add colliders on a demo scene to send to me.
Yeah, I saw your interview with Mike.
Right, so if
They
I
learned the lesson.
if I want to add this horse now to be able to pull this wagon, how do I do that?
You will need to make some adjustment. I have a sample scene with the wagons.
So I just copy that.
Yeah, and put the wheels on the wheel slot and the body on the body slot. But don't do it. I'm going to confess something. I use wheel colliders, which are so unstable that just open the sample scene with the wagon.
Hang on. Let me save this one.
Hop sample wagon up. There, I see it.
With the which one? This one?
That one. Yes, that one.
Okay.
Now, sometimes
confess your sins now, Manuel. Confess your sins.
Yeah. If you hit a wheel collider on the side, they will go crazy and they will go up and down, and I don't know.
Yes,
why.
I've seen that. I have seen where they just flip.
Yeah, you can go to the seat.
Yeah.
You try to mount the horse, but you want to mount
I'm trying
the
to mount
wagon.
the horse, man. But now I'm stuck inside the. Okay.
Yeah. Now since I use wheel colliders, don't do it. You did it.
Yeah, I was having this conversation with somebody the other day in our demo scene for our game, because I was like, okay, I need to put something in quickly. I'm just going to drag in the default wagons, but because it hits a prefab that has a collider on it when the scene loads, it immediately just flipped in the air and freaked out.
Yeah, that's the problem with the wheel collider. It's so unstable. I'm searching for a new ways to make this sample scene, the wagon feature, even better. Because wheel collider is not the solution. And I asked another publishers, there you go, for the solutions, and they always told me that they make their own solution because they can rely on wheel collider.
I was going to buy that vehicle physics.
I was going to buy it too, but
and I didn't bloody buy it, and now it's not on sale anymore.
Yeah, I was going to buy it to learn how they did it, so I can do it. Because I love. In fact, the game I want to make is with wagons, all wagons and horses, and cowboys. But wheel collider is not the way to go.
Well, you can make a game out of it though. How high can you get it to flip? Oh man. So I'm going to be sitting here playing with wheel colliders all day, but we've been chatting for about 2 hours, mate.
Wow.
Yeah.
Damn, I forgot I have to be somewhere else. No.
And I did promise you that it was only going to be about an hour.
But this has been fun.
It's been fun. That's the thing. We time flies when you're having fun. So
Yeah.
guys,
And I thought I was going to be nervous about speaking in English because I have speak in English in a long time.
you've been perfect, man. You've been your English has been not only perfect to understand, it's been beautiful to listen to.
Oh, thank you. It's not Spanglish.
It's not Spanglish. No, it's Quebec English.
Cubanic English. Cubanic English.
So, mate, we are going to look forward to next your raccoon, your bundle pack of polys, your updates.
I want to make
wolf.
the raccoon to climb trees, and
Wow.
I want to add the climb feature because raccoon climbs, right?
They do. Can I scale it?
Yes, you can scale it and mount it.
And then mount it as it climbs.
And mount the raccoon while mounting a tree.
Oh, mounting within mounting.
Yeah.
Inception mounting. Oh.
Yeah.
I'm a little bit aroused by the thought of that, I have to say. I will be playing with your raccoon when he comes out. So...
In non-ancestral way.
I can't guarantee that. So I'm going to say if somebody wants to put one last question to Malbers Animations before we go, as get it in now in the next 10 seconds.
Mounting a human.
Mate, thank you very much for coming in. And once again, thank you for the vouchers that you've given us in the past. I think we've got the videos still on YouTube for the old videos that we had where we did a giveaway on YouTube, and I think we did one giveaway on Twitch as well. Can't remember exactly. So thank you for that, mate.
Thank you for having me.
It's been a pleasure, and it will be an even bigger pleasure once I see your new updates as well, and I will play with your animals when we're doing the behavior tree tutorials as well. That'll be fun.
Thanks so much. I want to make the horse, the mane of the horse, the hair, right?
Yeah.
To play in the wind, like in the movies.
Nice. That'll be nice.
Yeah.
Well,
thank you, Tony, for having me.
No problem, pal. I'll let you go so you can do the funky things that you do, Nat, because as a full-time publisher, the day is yours. You can work for a couple of hours and have the rest of the day off.
Yes, and I have been playing Beat Saber now. I'm addicted to that game, man.
Which one?
Beat Saber is a VR game, a rhythm VR game.
I've never heard of it.
You should. It's really good.
Beat Saber.
Beat Saber.
Anyway,
Tony, thank you. I'll be heading outside now.
All right, buddy. Catch you later.
See you guys. Thank you.
And that's it for my interview with Malbers Animation. Thank you so much to Malbers for popping in, playing with us and giving us away some copies to play with. So thank you to everyone who was in the stream, who watched, and to all you funky people who like to watch this on YouTube and comment down below. Don't forget to click like, comment, spread the love, tell everyone that you know, random people on the street, about the Messy Coda. And every Fridays and Saturdays you can catch me on Twitch or the www.twitch.tv/themessycoda, where I will have fun and Saturdays do these live dev interviews where you can pop into Twitch and ask people questions yourself. That's right, you can ask them and chat with them. Oh, it's so good. So I will see you next time. If you do like it, click it. If you want to see more of my crazy videos, click on the left side of your screen now, and down below there's that big juicy subscribe button, and right next to it is the magic bell that if you click it, it will tell you if I've got a new video coming out. Till next time.